ka mga uno. Oh, pantay ka lang. Kung ano man kuya ako, Len. Kung ano, oh. Kung ano yung karon. Kung ano yung karon.
Asa man kadamit ang video?
Ha? Video of picture ni. Tanaw. Diren.
Inita pa po namin halating
Je. Smile, Je. Smile diha na lang. Smile na lang para nindot yung tanawon. Smile. 1, 2,
Time check 7:50. Exactly 10 minutes from now, we will start our opening salvo.
Tay. Di ay ka ng gloves mangyari ako pa sa'yo. At sa kay master kayo next.
Sige na nga. Ano ni? Papatungan ko. Nakita na sila imalindag sila do.
Ako sa kado nagtutog ka no?
Thanks to the efforts of our former student, Mrs. Lilian Boxer and the faculty and staff. Program, let us all listen to the words of welcome of our beloved student, Mr. Alfredo P. Mabia. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
SC member, Chairman of Education, Honorable Neil Julio, SC member, so P. Virgilio Pintano, Julius Alunananes. Ladies and gentlemen, maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Maayong gabi. On behalf of Alunananes, one alumni homecoming with a theme, love to wear and become. It is a homecoming of hearts, a reunion of dreams. Once again, brought together by the place where our stories first took shape, where the foundation of our values, friendship back to our school as the starting point of who we have become. The classrooms, the hallways, the teachers, and the countless experiences has molded us into the persons we are today. National High School. To our dear back to where it become, welcome to Kanunagan National Pinabia.
Your inspiring words, truth, and leadership are truly a flame of light in seeing